Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Man, it works. It works. Oh, good. That's good. You can see the little monitor going on my app. Yeah. We got an app. We got apps working. We got all kinds of things working. And it's season 7, guys. I'm back. And we got a lot to talk about. Let's go. Hey fam, how's it going? How you been? Are you happy that I'm back? I'm happy I'm back. And we got a lot to talk about because on this episode, we're going to start a brand new series, which is how to create a book. Not just any book, any book. What I'm going to be doing is I'm actually going to be taking you guys through my process of creating a coloring book that I plan on putting out in December. So you're going to see me step by step going through everything that I have to do in order to get this book out to market, which includes all the artwork, the creative process, the conception process, creating the cover, coloring, anything that needs to be done, we're gonna go over in this series. Why am I doing this? Because I think it's important for me to keep giving you guys as much pertinent information as I can to help you become better artists and artist entrepreneurs, because we all want to make money with our work. You do all this hard work and you should make money with it, and you should be able to make a living with it. And because of the pandemic, we have to start thinking about ways to make money with the skills that we have as artists and creators. So why not show you guys how to make money? One of the ways that I make money is by creating books and creating coloring books, comic books, notebooks. Like, check this out. Like this one right here, it's kind of glossy. This is the new KWAME HIGHTOWER notebook, right? It's just a lined notebook with a cool KWAME HIGHTOWER cover. That's out on Amazon. Link it'll be down below. So if you guys want to get that, you can. But creating books and creating that type of those things that sell all the time are going to end up being kind of like your foundational money that you can make. You know, I hate to call it that. It's sort of passive income. You still have to work for it. You still got to put a little work before it. But once you put it out, basically, you know, you can sell it with little marketing. Now, if you put some marketing dollars behind it, you're really going to sell. But you can just put it out and then people can discover and go from there. But if you really want it to be super successful, you should market. So it wouldn't be completely passive, so it's semi-passive. But that's one way that we can make income in these pandemic times when places, you know, cities might get shut down and people are looking for things to do. They need something to pass the time. Creating a coloring book is a great way to help people pass the time. And they're always looking for new and interesting content. And that's what you guys create. And that's what I create. So that being said, let's start with what I'm creating. So this new coloring book that I'm creating is called Jackson and Johnson or Johnson and Jackson? No, it's Jackson and Johnson. Oh my God. So this new coloring book that I'm creating is called Jackson and Johnson Super Adventure Coloring Book. And maybe it may even have some activities in it just to help guys pass the time. And the concept of it is that it's going to be 24 to 25 comic book style covers that are literally going to tell a complete storyline. It's kind of like reading and coloring a movie and seeing all the good parts and not having to have the in-between parts and the boring dialogue parts and all that good stuff. You're just going to see the stuff that keeps you on edge, keeps you on the cliff. Come on, focus in. There we go. All right. So the very first thing that you have to do is you got to come up with a concept and you got to come up with your idea. So of course I just told you my idea and how I plan for my idea to work. Now I have to go about the process of outlining that idea and planning out how it's going to work. This is very important. If I don't do this, this project will not get done on time. It just won't. In order for you guys to get projects done, you have to have a plan and you have to be organized and a plan of attack as to how you're going to complete your project. Because normally I'm juggling, because I'm freelancing, I'm juggling multiple projects at the same time. So I have to keep everything organized so I know where it is at all times, so I can give it the attention that it deserves, but make sure that I'm also giving my other projects the attention that they deserve. So the concept phase is probably the most important phase, because that's going to help me plan everything out. That lets me know what to put on the covers, how the covers should be. Everything is planned in the concepting stage. And how I achieve this is by writing out an outline, and that outline will cover all those things that I really needed to cover. So all the covers will be basically listed out in there. It'll pretty much tell me what needs to be on them and what needs to, storyline wise, where are we at in the story, so that I can make sure that everything matches up, and that by the time people get done coloring it, they're like, wait a minute, did I just read a story as well as color an interesting coloring book? Ooh, 2 for 1. And you can never ever discount how much people enjoy the 2 for 1. So that being said, guys, this is the first stage right here. So I'm in the concepting stage, and in the next video, I'm actually going to take you through the creation of the cover. That's right, I'm going to take you through the creation of the cover. This is a very short video, and I just wanted to get you guys going and thinking about how you can create your own coloring book, and maybe we can all just work along the way. Other than that, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it the thumbs up and share this all over the internet. And if you guys are new here, I'd just like to say what's up. Welcome to season 7, and please hit the subscribe button. Now, guys, you know the drill. Hit that bell icon. That's going to let you know whenever I post a brand new video, so we do not have to rely on the YouTube algorithm, because, you know, we got to defeat it. It's the enemy. The algorithms are always the enemy, so we got to defeat the algorithms. Now, if you guys want to get a hold of me, you can always get a hold of me on Twitter and Instagram at DKG72. I have a Facebook fan page and a TikTok, that's David Gordon 72. And if you guys really like what you're seeing on this channel, which I hope you do, I have a Patreon. Head on over to Patreon. Choose a tier. I got 4 tiers now. DKG72 Comics. Patreon/DKG72 Comics. Choose a tier and support the channel. That's how it works, guys. All right. I got more work to do. I got to work on this cover. And with that being stated, let me get out of here. Peace.